Yo, what's up guys? This is Taz NYC and just doing a quick bike check. Just replaced my frame. This is the Eastern Reaper. I replaced it my Redline. It's pretty good. Alright, so starting in the front, I got Animal ASM tires and just learned wall ride, so I got an Eastern G stem. I got Sins bars. Redline frame. I believe it's a Redline Synax frame, Syntax, whatever. Odyssey front. I'm not sure what model, but shadow spokes. Cheap hub. I don't know what it is. Redline fork came stock with the frame. Colt D-Heart grips, Harrow pedals, metal one on the right because I used to grind, but I have a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, Sputnik bottom bracket, mechanic chain. I'm placing it with a half link. What is this? Alias seat, I think. Alias. Animal ASM. This is oh yeah, Eastern Birectional hub and rim, spokes too. What else? Oh, Mission Transit cranks. They're pretty good, cheap. The price is cheap, but the quality's not. I'm gonna put this back on in a couple days because I kind of like it more than my Redline. Spent a lot of money on it, but whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much all. This is how my hub sounds. Wait, guys, sorry. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks. Peace.